This video explains the scripts option that allows you to archive the current screen to the Patients folder. Before we begin, let me give you a quick view of the Documents folder for Jennifer. If you're using electronic document storage for your patients, you'll know that you can scan and store any number of different kinds of electronic files into the patient's record and have those visible from the home screen or some other areas. In this case, I only have a birthday letter for Jennifer. Just as an example, let's close that and take a look at a way that already exists in the invoicing area to archive a particular document. If I want to archive a sales agreement, I can click this little button here. It takes a moment, and then it tells me the document has been saved. Let's go back home and take a look in her documents area and see if that's true. I'll stretch this just a little bit so you can see that that sales agreement was just created, and I can double click on that file and it opens up, and there I have a document stored in Adobe Acrobat, an Acrobat document stored in the patient's record. So there may be times that you're not on something like the invoicing area that has an archive button. So you can basically archive almost any form or letter in the system by just going to the desired form. Let's go to a registration form and selecting this script step right up here called Archive this screen to Patients folder. Now, starting at script number 11, there are no longer any keyboard shortcuts. We only have those for the first 10 here. But you can just click that button, takes a moment, and it says that it's saved in the Patients folder. This is a registration form, but let's take a look and see if that's in there. I went to the wrong area, excuse me. I meant to go down here to Documents. And so now I have a new document, and I'll stretch that again just a little bit here to make it wider. And now I have a registration information form. I can open that up and take a look at it. So there may be times that you want to basically turn the screen into a PDF and not have to then find the patient's record and put it in, or print it out and then scan it. That would be inefficient. So instead you can just go to script number 11 and it automatically turns it into a PDF, the screen that you're on, and stores it in the electronic document storage area for that patient. Now please keep in mind that you have to have your document storage area set up correctly in order for those documents to be received appropriately. So please view the other videos or video that's appropriate for teaching you how to use the document section in HearForm Pro.